Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which installed apps are proprietary and non-proprietary in Android smartphones. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, search for one application named as LibreFine. Now on the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now we'll see here releases, just click on it. Once again scroll down below again. Now we'll see here one .apk file, so you need to download this apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open, click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. So wait for a few seconds. So now you can either read the instructions or you can skip the instruction. So now you can see in my case this much of proprietary apps are being installed and there are 6 number of FOSS, which is the free and open source softwares. So you can click directly on the respective number, then it will show you all the proprietary, and if you want to check for the FOSS applications, then you can just click on this number and it will show you all the FOSS applications, and there are some unknowns, so you can report those unknown applications by clicking on it, and you can suggest whether it's a free and open source or whether it is a proprietary app. So you can suggest it to help the app developer. So by using this cool application named as LibreFine, you can easily find out which installed apps are proprietary and non-proprietary in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.